the world's biggest Tesla factory is ramping up production to build one car every 40 seconds. Let us see how they were able to accomplish this feat and what this means for Tesla and their customers. On April 7, 2023, news broke that Tesla's Gigafactory in Shanghai has ramped up its output to build one car every 40 seconds. This would equate to 90 cars per hour, or 2,160 cars per day, which would be a new record for Tesla's vehicle manufacturing. Oh, put that number in context. It would mean that Tesla could produce more than 800,000 vehicles annually at Gigafactory Shanghai alone, which would exceed the previous record of 831,000 vehicles produced in 2021 to achieve this rate of production. The Gigafactory will have to maintain an average operating rate of 85%, meaning that the plant would be running at close to full capacity. In practice, achieving such high levels of productivity will likely only be possible during periods of peak efficiency. However, if sustained over a year, it would set a blistering pace for Tesla's competitors, who are still struggling to increase their own production numbers. It was impressive to think about just how far Tesla has come in such a short period of time. When Gigafactory Shanghai first opened its doors in late 2019, many were skeptical about the company's ability to produce vehicles in China. But the company quickly proved its doubters wrong by churning out hundreds of thousands of cars in just a few months. The Model 3 sedan was the first vehicle to roll off the assembly line at Giga Shanghai, and it remains one of the most popular electric cars in China today. Since then, the Model Y crossover has also become a big hit in China, accounting for more than half of all EV sales in the country during 2021. Both models are made at Gigafactory Shanghai, which has a total capacity of up to 750,000 vehicles per year when operating at full capacity. With these two models driving demand, it's easy to see why Giga Shanghai would strive to reach such high levels of production. The Model 3 is an important part of Tesla's lineup because it's the company's most affordable vehicle, starting at $47,000 before incentives. It also happens to be one of the best-selling electric cars in America, with more than 350,000 units delivered through September 2022 alone. Meanwhile, the Model Y is a newer addition to Tesla's lineup, but has quickly become one of its most popular models, thanks to its combination of practicality, performance, and affordability. Starting at $65,000, the Model Y is still considered relatively cheap compared to other luxury SUVs on the market today. And because it's built on Tesla's versatile Model Y platform, it can be adapted into different body styles, including a 7-seat version, as well as a long-range performance variant known as Plaid. For Tesla, producing these two models at scale has been key to its success so far. In fact, the company has been able to grow its vehicle deliveries by more than 100 each year since 2019. And it looks like that trend will continue in 2023 as Tesla recently announced plans to ramp up production even further by building one car every 40 seconds at its Gigafactory in Shanghai. That's according to Bloomberg News, which reported that Tesla told suppliers it plans to boost output at the plant by increasing the number of working days and working hours per day, without giving any further details. This ambitious target comes as Tesla works to meet growing demand for its electric cars around the world in China alone, where the company has faced stiff competition from local rivals. Tesla has raised prices 3 times over the past year due to strong demand. Similarly, in the US, where Tesla is the biggest EV maker, waiting lists for its vehicles remain long despite increased production. Of course, other automakers are catching up fast. But nonetheless, Tesla still has a commanding lead in terms of customer interest. And it seems like they won't be slowing down anytime soon. If Tesla is able to achieve its goal of building one car every 40 seconds at Giga Shanghai, it would mark another milestone in the company's quest to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. It's founded by Elon Musk in 2003. Tesla initially focused on developing high-performance electric sports cars such as the Roadster, and later moved on to more mainstream models like the Model S and Model X. Over the years, the company has expanded rapidly, opening new factories around the world and entering into various partnerships with other major players in the automotive industry. Today, Tesla is one of the most valuable car companies in the world, with a market cap of nearly $1 trillion. But despite its success, Tesla still faces challenges ahead. For one thing, competition is heating up as legacy automakers invest heavily into developing their own EV models. Additionally, Tesla must contend with growing geopolitical tensions between the US and China, which could impact its operations in both countries. Nonetheless, Tesla appears well-positioned to overcome these obstacles thanks to its strong brand recognition and loyal customer base. Plus, with new products like the Cybertruck and Semi coming out soon, there's plenty for investors to look forward to in the years ahead. As Tesla continues to grow, it'll be interesting to see how the company manages its rapid expansion while maintaining its commitment to innovation and sustainability. Only time will tell what challenges and opportunities lie ahead for the EV maker. But one thing is for sure, Tesla is a company to watch in the years ahead. Elon Musk is a man on a mission. He wants to revolutionize the way we travel, and he's doing it with his latest venture. Tesla, the company's Gigafactory in Shanghai, is a testament to Musk's ambition. It's the largest building in the world, covering an area of 1.3 million square meters. And it's home to the most advanced manufacturing technology ever seen in the automotive industry. The factory is capable of producing 3,000 cars a day, which equates to one car every 40 seconds. That is a staggering rate of production, and it is a feat that no other automaker has been able to match. Musk has achieved this by taking a page out of Toyota's book. The Japanese automaker pioneered the concept of the Gigafactory with its famous Toyota production system, which uses robots and computer-aided manufacturing to make cars faster and cheaper than ever before. Musk has taken this system to the next level with Tesla's Gigapress machine, which is capable of stamping out entire sections of a car's body in one go. This has allowed Tesla to cut the number of robots and humans needed to build a car in half, resulting in some of the fastest production times in the industry. But it's not just about speed at Tesla. The company's also focused on quality. Every car that rolls off the assembly line at Giga Shanghai undergoes rigorous testing to ensure that it meets the company's high standards. This includes a full battery of automated tests as well as manual inspections by trained technicians. As a result, Tesla's cars have some of the lowest defect rates in the industry. Despite the incredible efficiency of Giga Shanghai, Musk isn't resting on his laurels, already setting his sights on the next frontier, which is mass production. The CEO has said that he wants Tesla to be the biggest car company in the world by volume, not just by value, and it's not a lofty goal. Tesla sold nearly 1.3 million cars in 2021, more than double its output from 2020. If the company can sustain that growth rate, it'll easily overtake Toyota and Volkswagen, the current leaders in global car sales. In order to achieve this goal, Tesla will need to continue investing in automation and artificial intelligence. Musk has said that he believes robots and AI will play an increasingly important role in the future of manufacturing, and he's already putting those words into action. Tesla's newest factory in Austin, Texas, is being designed from the ground up with robots in mind. The factory floor will be equipped with a network of autonomous robots that will work alongside human workers to assemble cars. In the end, Musk's vision for Tesla is nothing short of a revolution in the automotive industry. He wants to create a company that's not just bigger and better than its competitors, but that's fundamentally changing the way cars are designed, built, and driven, and, if his latest moves are any indication, is well on his way to achieving that goal. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time.